Good morning, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we are going to derive TSA and LSA of cuboid. So as all we know that the solid shapes has 3 dimensions. The 3 dimensions are width, depth and length. So in that cuboid, as all you know that the definition of cuboid, it is cuboid. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Cuboid. A cuboid is a solid bounded by 6 rectangular plane regions. So it is made up of 6 rectangular plane regions, namely A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, D, H, E, A, D, H, E, B, C, G, F, B, C, G, F, A, B, F, E, A, B, F, E, and next H, G, F, E, H, G, F, E, and one more is H, G, C, D. So cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. 8 vertices. So in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about total surface area and lateral surface area, TSA. So as all we know that TSA, total surface area, is nothing but the total surface area of a solid object is a measure of the total area that the surface of the object occupies. So we know that the cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular faces. 6 rectangular faces. So the area of 6 rectangular faces is nothing but the total surface area of a cuboid. For example, so 6 faces are there here: ABCD, ADHE, BCGF, ABFE, HGFE and HGCD. These all are angles. So here it is breadth, height, length. This one height, breadth, length, 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 height, height, breadth and breadth. Okay. So TSA of cuboid is equal to sum of the area of the 6 rectangular faces, area of ABCD plus area of ADHE plus area of BCGF plus area of ABFE plus area of HGFE plus area of HGCD. So first, area of ABCD. Area of ABCD, as all we know that the area of rectangle is equal to a length into breadth. So here length is there, breadth is there, L into B, plus area of ADHE, ADHE, so breadth into height, B into H, plus area of BCGF, BCGF, so here also breadth into height, area of ABFE, ABFE, so here also length into height, length into height. The next area of HGFE, HGFE, so length into breadth. And one more is there, area of HGCD, that is also length into height. So see here, length into breadth, breadth into height, breadth into height, length into height, length into breadth, length into height. So length into breadth, length into breadth. 2 times of length into breadth plus breadth into height, breadth into height. 2 times of breadth into height plus length into height, length into height. 2 times of length into height. So 2 is common here. Take it outside. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is the formula to find total surface area of cuboid. TSA is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. It is the formula to find total surface area of a cuboid. The next second one, CSA or LSA. So what is LSA? How to find? What is the definition of LSA? First definition of LSA. What is LSA? The lateral surface area of an object is the area of all the sides of the object excluding of its base and top. Excluding its base and top. Here don't consider the base E, F, G, H and top A, B, C, D. Excluding the base and top. So only consider a pore surfaces. CSA is equal to, or LSA of cuboid is equal to area of, so don't consider base, consider the front side ABFE, ABFE plus ADHE, area of ADHE plus area of BCGF, area of BCGF plus a backside area of GCDH, area of CDHG. Yes, now, so these are all rectangles. As all we know that how to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. ABFE, ABFE. So length into height. L into H plus area of ADH is breadth into height. So the opposite side is also breadth into height. And the opposite side length into height. Length into height. Yes, see here. Length into height, length into height. 2 times of length into height. And breadth into height, breadth into height. 2 times of breadth into height. So 2 is common, take it outside. 2 into, so inside the bracket, a length into height plus a breadth into height. But again here, height is common, take it outside. 2 into h into, so inside the bracket only length and here breadth. 2 into h into L plus B is the formula to find the lateral surface area of a cuboid. LSA, lateral surface area of a cuboid. So TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL and LSA is 2 into H into L plus B is the lateral surface area of a cuboid. And next, volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid is equal to a length into a breadth into height. And area is always measured in terms of square units. Area is always measured in terms of square units. But a volume is always measured in terms of cubic units. Cubic units. Okay students, this is the derivation of a cuboid. Derivation of a total surface area and curved surface area of a cuboid. In the same way, we have to find the total surface area and curved surface area of cube also. Thank you.